Hey everybody, it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name's Melissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what is in my Paul Mitchell Cosmetology kit. So for those who don't know, I am a student at Paul Mitchell, the school, and it's a cosmetology school. I'm in the cosmetology program. Cosmetology is a long word. And yeah, so I've been in school. This is my second week. I started December 3rd, and I actually just uploaded my get ready with me first day of school, so I can have that listed in the description, and you can see like how hectic my morning was. It wasn't really, but it was kind of crazy. It was a crazy day. But anyway, so we got two kits. We have a huge like hair kit, and then we have a tiny makeup kit. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that comes in it. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, I do want to mention the things that I will not be showing in this video that we did receive, and that is a school bag. It's like a little tote almost, but they give you that. I personally don't use it because I don't like over the shoulder bags, but it's a good bag if you have a lot of things that you need to carry, and it says Paul Mitchell on it, so, and it's black. So the other thing is that they give you a tripod stand to put your mannequin heads on, and I usually have mine, but mine's at school because we had to leave it at school today because we were in the middle of doing something. And the last thing that I'm not going to be showing you guys would be our mannequin heads. So we get two that we take home. Well, actually, hang on. So this is the mannequin, one of the mannequin heads that I got to take home. I just did cornrows on her because I was practicing, but this is her. We get two of these to stay home, and then we have two different ones at school, as well as a African American one with textured hair. So we learn how to work on textured hair. Also, I apologize if my bells jingle, but it was Christmas sweater day at school, so I have this lovely little sweater on that says all the jingle ladies, and it's got bells. Anyways, let's actually show you guys products. So okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is our skill cards. So this basically has everything that you need to know, from cutting to coloring to men's cuts to sectioning, all the way into like perms and different hair textures and formations, and literally everything you need to know is in this skill cards book. So now I'm going to show you guys the makeup kit, and this is what it looks like, and it is in no way a fancy makeup kit. It's very simple and basic, and you have to kind of build your own makeup collection kit, and the same goes for the hair products. You have to buy your own clips eventually and combs just so you can have more. So this is kind of like a starter kit. So it comes in this black bag, and it has Ultimate Face Professional on it, and you unzip it. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so then inside, this is what it kind of looks like. It has a mesh netting pocket here, a plastic pocket here, and then there's like little sections down here, if you can see, that you could put brushes in. And then there's these two things that open and then separate. So it comes with this little box, and then it just opens up, and I'm going to show you guys what it comes with. So they give you a mascara, and this is like a little tubey mascara. You get a sharpener. You get 3 double-ended pencils for eyes and lips or whatever. You get a primer. This is the Ultimate Face Primer. This is all Paul Mitchell products, if you can't tell. You get some brushes. Then you get 4 makeup palettes. So I'm gonna show you guys what they are. So the first one is the Ultimate Face, and this is the skin one, and it basically has your concealers and contours and like cream blushes all in this palette. Next you get the lip palette. So this has a bunch of lip colors and shades in it, so all the way from nudes to reds, and there's even a purple in there, so that's kind of nice. Then you get this face palette, which is the sculpting palette they call it. It has your highlights, your blushes, your bronzers, and you could use these as eyeshadows as well. So yeah, these two up here are highlights. These are kind of bronzers. You have yellow and oranges if you need to add that to like a foundation to add undertones. You can do that as well. And then the last palette is the eyeshadow palette. So this has a bunch of different eyeshadow shades. It has shimmers and mattes. You have like your neutral shades, you have your colorful shades, you have a nice white, you know. It's pretty much everything you kind of need to create a look. So yeah. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the makeup kit. Now on to the big kit that I have to take back and forth every day to school. So I just want to show you guys because it comes with it, but it's not in the kit and I don't need to take it every day. But you get a DVD of men's hair cutting. It just shows everything from cutting from over comb, over clippers, face shaving, haircuts, beards, grooming techniques, literally everything you need to know about men's cutting. So there's actually like 3 DVDs actually. You have tapers and fades, you have round and color, and then you have triangular and square. So those are your 3 DVDs to learn about men's cutting. Kind of going along with that, you get a clipper set. I don't keep mine in my case because we don't need them every day, but I'll show you guys what is in here. So you get all of your clipper attachments. Mine are unopened. You get these clippers, these big handy dandy clippers, as well as these little tiny clippers. You also get like oil and like a little brush to clean everything up with. So now this is my Paul Mitchell kit. I don't even know if you can see this whole thing if this is in frame, but this is what it looks like. It says Paul Mitchell on the top, and it's really heavy. It has wheels and it has a handle, so it can easily spin. So let's open this bad boy up and show you guys what's in it. So I'm gonna show you guys. We get this little color book, and it basically has a bunch of different information that you should know. You get this top tray and this little compartment. So in here you get 10 of these silver hair clips. Okay. You get a bunch of combs. You get a detangling comb. You get your 400 series comb. So all kind of the same, but they are all done a little different. So there's white, green, and like a purpley maroon. Okay. You get your teasing comb and pick. You get your foiling comb, so it has the metal end to it with the comb. You get your razor for thinning out, layering. You get your rat tail comb. You also get a little hair dye brush. And then you get brushes. So this is the first brush you get, one of the brushes. It looks like this. It's not labeled, so I forget what it's called, but there's that. Then you get your 407 styling brush. So looks like this. It's really nice. You get your 413 sculpting brush. So it's like a flat brush with the plastic white tips. Then you get your mini round brush. You have a small one and a large one. So this is the small one. You have your big round brush. Mine has some hair in it that I need to clean out. And you also get your paddle brush. This is your 427 paddle brush. So it's just a bigger version of the styling brush to brush out your hair. Then you get your apron. I don't want to open mine because it's annoying to wrap up, but it just is black, says Paul Mitchell. You've got some pockets. Get your Paul Mitchell water bottle so you can, you know, squirt down their hair. You get a little nail kit. You don't use this very often. I keep mine in my case just in case, but it just says Paul Mitchell on it. And you get all of these items. So you get little scissors, a cuticle pusher backer, tweezers, you get nail clippers, cuticle clippers, and then these other kinds of clippers that they're like nail clippers but they're angled. Then you get your hot tools. So you get your Marcel iron that, you know, swivels and it does its thing. And then you get your hair dryer, and this is by far the coolest hair dryer I have. It has a little screen and you can control like the fan and like the heat and everything. And then to go with that, you get your little flathead attachment. So when you're blow drying hair, they always say to leave this on, but I take mine off just so I don't ruin it. You also receive a diffuser attachment for curly hair, and I just keep it in the box for safekeeping. And then you also get your Paul Mitchell flat iron. So this looks pretty nice as well. You get a detangling mist, you get a cream gel, and then you get a volumizing powder, as well as a heat protectant hairspray, and then a natural finish natural hold hairspray. You also get your two capes. So you have your light cape and then your heavy duty cape. So this is for haircuts, this is for washing and coloring, basic stuff. And then you receive a brush holder, which I don't use, but some people do. It's just your preference. And then a bunch of little booklets on a bunch of different things. Alright guys, so that's everything that I at least remembered that came in our kit. Oh, you also get your shears. I forgot to mention them earlier, but you get your shears. You get, I think, 3 in the box. Our teacher collected ours for some reason. I'm not 100% sure why. Could just be because we just don't know how to use them yet, and that's what I'm thinking. Anyways, guys, that is basically everything that I remembered. I'm pretty sure this is everything that came with my Paul Mitchell kit. This all is included in your tuition, so you don't really have to worry about extra expenses. But like I did say, you know, this is a starter kit, and the same with the makeup. It's a starter kit, and you as a cosmetologist have to go out and buy more clips, more combs, more products. I really recommend that if you're deciding between going to like a 4-year college or going to cosmetology school, if hair and makeup's what you want to do, then girl, you go do it. Or if you're a guy, then go do it. Nobody can tell you not to. My eyelash is bothering me, guys. So yeah, I'm really enjoying school, and if you guys are thinking about going to Paul Mitchell or, you know, any cosmetology school for that matter, then I really recommend it because it is super duper fun. We literally started working on our mannequin heads the second day of school. That's pretty much today's video. Now I gotta put everything back, but it's okay. I needed to organize it anyways. So make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!